What is up, my Forex for Beginners family? Okay, today is a very exciting day. You've started your Forex journey today, and I remember when I was you many years ago doing the same thing, starting a trading account with a broker. A broker is used to give us access to the markets. This is where we place our trades so we can buy and sell currencies, and the broker is what connects our computer to the live markets. So when you click on the link that I provided you, you're going to come to this page right here. One disclaimer I'm going to tell you right now is my training is teaching you how to analyze the charts. My goal is to teach you how to be a professional at analyzing the charts, and the charts shows us when to buy and sell and make profit. So I'm going to be showing you how to open a live account, but within that live account, we're going to open a demo trading account. And what that means is you're trading the live markets, but you're using fake money just so you can learn and practice your skills. And then once you're eventually done practicing and you feel confident in trading, then you can go ahead and finish creating your live account and deposit money, and that'll be your choice once you feel confident. I'm teaching you for educational purposes only. I'm going to teach you how to trade using a demo account. Once you go live, that is absolutely your decision, and any profit or losses will be your responsibility. But for now, we're going to be we're trading with a demo account. We're going to be free of any worry of making money or losing money. Right now, I want your focus to be is learning chart analysis, because that is step one of trading. All right, let's get started.
So up here in the top right, you'll see a button that says create an account. Go ahead and click on it. I suggest just entering your email and password here. You can use Google or Apple, but I find that sometimes, it can have some sort of error. Let's keep it simple. Just enter your email here. I'm using a test account here, and enter a password. Okay, so make sure it has these characteristics, 10 characters, including 3 of them, a lowercase letter, uppercase letter, and a number and special character. And then hit confirm I'm over 18, hit sign up. You can, if it's your first time, you can go ahead and hit start the tour. It'll tell you what all these buttons are. But I'm just going to hit skip, but you can go through it if it's your first time. I'm just going to show you the important parts. Next, what I want you to do is verify your account. So there's also a verify now button here. So when you sign up, you want to use a real email, because they're going to be emailing you things, and you want to, when you verify your account, you want to put your real info in here, because it's almost like setting up a bank account, like I said, and you want real info. You're going to have to upload your IDs and things like that. So go ahead and enter your first name, your last name, your date of birth. You only have to enter where there's a little star here. Those are the mandatory items. So date of birth, your address, your city, your zip code, your state, your country, your phone number. Okay, so I've entered all the information in the screen here. I've put in my test info because this is just an example video, but for yours, put in the real information, because they're going to be verifying it against your ID that you submit, and then hit next. And then here you want to select MetaTrader 4. You want to select Classic Account, and you want to select USD. Where is it? And then the security question. You can pick whatever you want here. I'll just put, like I said, it's just a test, but enter real information on your account. And then click that you agree to the terms of service and hit next. Here's going to be uploading your ID. So you can select driver license, government ID, or passport. If you have a driver's license, I would start with that. So here you can either, if you have pictures on your computer, you can say upload file. Or if you don't, you can always open the website on your phone and verify it on your phone, and then you can easily take a picture with your phone. I'm just gonna pick any, and then they're gonna want you to upload the rear side of your driver's license, so the front, back, and then hit next. And then you're gonna need a second piece of ID, so either a passport, a utility bill, bank statement, or birth certificate. So pick one of these. You could always go with a bank statement or a utility bill. And then you want to upload file. And so one's going to be the front and the back. These are the requirements. Hit verify my account. And then there's going to be a bit of a waiting period for your live account verification. Here they want you to set up the authentication, two-factor authentication. We'll talk about that next. Okay, so the second thing I want you to do is set up two-factor authentication. So when you go up to the top right here, just click on your name and then go to profile. Make sure all the information here is right, what you previously entered, and then you can scroll down and it'll say two-factor authentication. I suggest enabling it now because they're going to keep bothering you until you do it. So when you click on it, it's going to tell you to download an app on your phone. It's either Google, I would use Google Authenticate. I like that the best. You can download it on the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Just search Google Authenticate. And when you're in the app, you can scan this barcode, and it'll have a rotating code that you enter here, and I'll show you how to do that right now. Okay, so I'm in the App Store here. You can just search Google Authenticate. I already have it downloaded. It's right here, Google Authenticate. I'm just gonna hit open here. So what you want to do is you want to just hit the plus sign here and go scan QR code. You can scan the code right there, and if you look at the very bottom here, it shows Fusion Markets, and it has a rotating code, and that's when you enter the code on the screen. So the very bottom, you'll have a rotating code. Okay, so now back on the screen here, I'm going to look at the code. The code is telling me it's 744240. That's the code from the Google Authenticate app. Hit verify code, and now we're authenticated. So here you can go edit if you want to redo it, but it's all set now. You can also change your password here and then set notification settings if you want to do that as well. But that's pretty much it. You can go back to accounts. All I wanted you to do was start the verification process, which you've already done, and I wanted you to set up two-factor authentication, because it'll ask you that when you log into your account, and it makes your account a lot more secure, and that's what we want. And then in the next video, we will talk about creating a demo account, and that will be under here. Okay, see you soon. Excited.